his restaurant and have dinner with him. And he's so generous with all the stories he had with Lolo. So thank you very much for sharing your memories with us. Next.
Well, the part of Lolo Monsignor Mayor would say, not only being part of Manila for his public service, also his Indian ancestry.
Ambassador of India to the Republic of the Philippines.
Distinguished members of the Bhagat Singh family, Honorable Mayor of Manila, Isko Moreno, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It gives me great pleasure
We're very, very grateful. Our keynote speaker has dedicated himself to serving the city of Manila and its people for almost 25 years. 26 years more or less. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it is our honor to welcome the Mayor of the City of Manila, the Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Dumago.
Maraming salamat. Pinakamaganda namin tourism officer in Manila's history. Former Congresswoman Crystal Bagachi, our director, very active. To His Excellency, I hope I will pronounce your name with your indulgence. Shri Hars Kumar Jain. Welcome to Manila City Hall. And I'd like to also thank, actually it's two hospitals, Apollo and Max. Yeah. We've been sending kids, babies, and young adults to be operated and transplanted in your great institution, because so far the batting average of Filipinos sent to be operated in that institution is 100%. Wala pa naman. Salamat sa Diyos. Awa ng Diyos. And recently, Crystal and I had an event in SM, and we saw at least 11 of them. They used to be may biro ko doon. Sabi ko mag-aalas ko dati. Hindi ko lang masabi sa English eh. You know, my English is only good for 5 minutes. After that, finish already. Now they're in very good condition. Successfully healthy, and during the time when I was a vice mayor then, I saw this kid, babies, now adult, second life. We're very happy then. In fact, in the coming days there will be 4 again to be sent to there. So thank you, Your Excellency, and more than the money and expenses, we wanted to show our gratitude na buhay yung mga atabs ng bata. Today, Bagachi Pan na nandito, sa ating mga konsihal na nandito. Ayan na. Baha. Sa lahat na konsihal na nandito, special mention lang si DJ. Si Rabi, nandito ba si Rabi? Rabi Oka. Ayun. Laki nating konsihal. Wala lang si Don. Si Don. kabusisihan ng ating lungsod. Mga nakasama ko sa Konseho ng Maynila. To our mentor, Felixberto Espiritu. Yung kwento niya kanina, marami pang inawat doon. Dahil mas marami akong alam. Hindi dahil inabot ko, kung tawagin natin si Tanda, tawagin natin, Matandang Bagatsing. Kundi dahil sa kwento ni Lex P. Ayoko lang sabihin, baka may magsabunutan dito. But I'm really, Felix talaga. Dami niya. Well-loved yan. In fact, I can honestly say he's one of the most loyal person in the city of Manila to the Bagatsing family. I know it very well because sometimes I have to manage it. Because we have some alliances that contradicts politics, but Felix stood his ground to be with Amado, Tondo, Nono, you name it. Anybody, Cristal, he would always stay with the Bagatsing because of this experience, life experience, moments with former Mayor Ramon Bagatsing. Kaya very loyal yan. James, bata pa pala, barkada na kayo ni Lex P. Ay, Peter? Bata pa pala, magbarkada na kayo. Nagtatanda na kayo pare-pareho. Nagulat nga ako eh. Kasama ka pa pala doon sa kwento. Si Peter is also isa sa mga mabubuting Manila yung laging tumutulong sa sila. Si Cecilio, 18 anyos pa lang ako, kilala ko na siya. Cecilio Pedro, our former FFCCC CII President. 18 anyos ako nung makilala ko si Cecilio dahil sa programang That's Entertainment. Hindi po siya nag-dance. Siya po ang may-ari ng Happy Toothpaste. At the time, Kuya Germs, bukod sa alam niyong Birch Tree, ang partner ng show, ng GMA Super Show, That's Entertainment at Walang Tulugan is Happy Toothpaste. So I was introduced to Cecilio as owner. Kaya talagang ang tadhana hindi mo masasabi. Doon kami nagkakilala sa mga kumikinang, makikislap na bituin. Tapos decades after, or few years after, nagkasalubong ulit ang aming tadhana. Him being the president of one respected organization of Filipino-Chinese communities in the city of Manila and in the country. Cecilio Pedro. To Mr. Vishal Hati Ramani, President of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. To Mr. Vishnu Hati Ramani, Vice President. To James Sumar, also. Ano riyan, masipag sa Red Cross. Paga ng paga yan. Tulong ng tulong. Sa aking mga kasama sa Red Cross, sa Red Cross Manila, particular na mahal ni Amado. Dahil pinagpatuloy niya yung pagmamahal ni dating Mayor Ramon Bagatsing. To all of you here, pag binati ko kayo lahat, malamang dilat na mata nyo, hindi pa kaya kayo kumakain. But, why is the city encouraging this type of event? Alam nyo, ang mundo ng politika, minsan maputik yun eh. Minsan sa limot, because of some ideas on how we should run government. No? Kaya minsan nagkakaroon contradiction among each other. And with that situation, nagkakaroon din ng mga misconception about characters of leaders of the city. Because alam mo yung uso mo, buti nga nung araw, sa diaryo lang isusulat para siraan ka. Ngayon, 5-5, kasaglit lang, AI ka na, todas ka na. So the point being is today, thanks to Nick Bokin, our national artist, for the next generation to be reminded that if you dedicated your life to public service, you can be immortalized. Ay sa lathalain o sa mga bagay na nakikita ng tao katulad ng mga monumentong nakikita natin bato o bronze. Right? These are reminders for the next generation na maging inspirasyon. Yung magagandang kwento, hindi yung kwento ng politika, yung kwentong maaaring kapulutan ng aral ng bawat bata at susunod na henerasyon. Kung titignan nyo kami ni Mayor Ramon, pag titignan ninyo, ewan ko yung picture ko yata sa almaryo, nakita nyo na rin, ano? Nangadugyot ako, butot balat din ako nun. Dahil totoo yung sinabi ng apo, yung salitang mahirap pa kami sa dagat. Meron naman ng nanay ko, mahirap pa kami sa dilang mahirap. Talagang pasamaan ng hirap ng araw. Parang ang araw, ang projection lagi, hindi pa angat. Nasa ang level ka sa ilalim. And as you can see, almost the same story. From Visayas going to Manila. My parents from Visayas with the same island, or what you call the Panay Island. The other side lang yung tatay ko. Antique at Samar. Came to Manila, and Manila, alam to ni Felix, sa ni Peter, inabot niya ito, became, at that time, is a window of opportunity for everyone. Dito sa Manila may pag-asa. Pag mabilidad ka, magaling ka, there is a chance for you to excel from your field of undertaking. Whether sa negosyo, o sa public service, o anuman bagay. And today, nagsasama-sama tayo para ipaalam ang mga karanasan ng mga naging leader ng Maynila, paano nila nalagpasan ang mga pagsubok sa buhay. Can you imagine of all the mayors of Manila, kung di ka ba naman aalatin, nakaligtas ka sa death march, no? Na at the time, sa pananaw ng mga occupiers, ang mga Pilipino, karne lang. It's just a piece of meat that they can discard or, o di naligtasan mo na. Pagka minamalas-malas ka pa naman yung granada sa paa mo ka dumabi at sumabog. And still, you survive. So, these are, I think, more than the specific incident, this will give us an inspiration wherein anuman na naging pagsubok, hirap at delikadong sitwasyon, kailangan you have to continue to go on and move on. Because after the rain, there is rainbow. Now, because of those instances, maaari, hindi ko may inabot, but my assessment, tumibay ang damdamin ni Mayor Ramon Bagatsing. Sa paano paraan? Sa pang-unawa sa tao, sa paglilingkod sa bayan, sa pagmamahal sa bayan. Ang maganda pa rito, by blood. Totoo po yung sinabi ng dalawang apo kanina. Kung sisiya sa atin nyo, yung dulo, yung ugat ng mga Bagatsing ay hero rin sa India. Hero na sa India, hero pa sa Maynila. Why? We call our veterans as heroes. We enjoy this type of freedom that we have today because a lot of people paid the ultimate price for us to enjoy independence of this country. And that's why I think those experience of Mayor Ramon Bagachi made him better person, good leader, effective, compassionate, and understanding. As like what you heard also kanina, yung mga kwentong kahit hindi taga Maynila. Pero naging ganun na yata ngayon ang Maynila. Pinipilit natin yakapin kahit hindi taga sa atin. Because Manila is like what mga ninuno natin sinasabi nila, is the window of opportunity. Symbol of hope. And like sa awit ng Maynila, 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 dalhin mo ang bandila. So today, we are celebrating a life and a very important person, Shen Tugis, ang nakararaang taon na binigyan tayo ng isang maring sa iba ay itinuturing na banyaga. Ngunit ito ang tipo ng banyaga na mas Pilipino pa sa ilang Pilipino. Di ba maraming makapili nung panahon ng hapon? At yun ay mga kapwa natin Pilipino. Pero ito yung mga itinuturing natin mga banyaga kuno, katulad ni Ongping. Marami sa Maynila, maraming istorya. Filipino-Chinese. Ito, Indian-Filipino. Ano pa gusto mo? Na ang pagmamahal, as like what the ambassador said a while ago, hindi lamang kung nasaan ka o ano ang pinanggalingan kung paano mo ipakikita ang pagmamahal sa bayan. And in this case, Ramon stood up and fought against the occupier, fought for our independence, sing with our independence. Kaya hindi natin dilimutin. Malo pa, hindi lamang dahil siya ay isang veterano, lumabang, hindi nalimtanan ang kanyang kaligtasan o buhay, naglingkod sa atin. And whether we like it or not, he is the history holder. The longest ever mayor served the city. And with that, we honor Mayor Ramon Bagachi. And in this occasion today, as a simple gesture, and one of many things to come, recognizing our former leaders of the city as a matter of showing our gratitude of those who have served the city of Manila, like Mayor Ramon Bagachi. Ito man lamang tayong mga nagtatamasa ngayon o sa kasalukuyan, may mga lakas pa na ating kilalanin at pagbibigay galang at importansya as a matter of pagpapasalamat bilang isang pagpapasalamat. Mahirap po, I think yes, on this portion, maraming makakaraling. Yung mga nasa civilian part, mahirap po maging public servant. Mahirap. Hindi siya, kumbaga sa makina maraming moving parts. No? But at the end of the day, most of the time, ang pamilya namin, ang pamilya ang nasa sakripisyo because we really need to be there in the office, in a situation, dahil umaasa lagi ang taong bayan na maging epektibo ang kanyang pamahalaan. Kaya I think maliit na bagay ang ating ginagawa ngayon at kailangan pa natin dagdagan. Patuloy na kilalanin ang mga naglingkod sa ating lungsod ng Manila. At yan, we promise the family, Bagachi family, in our own little way under my watch, not only to you, but to also to others who have served the city. We will try our best to immortalize so that the next generations and passerby will be reminded na kapag ikay naging mabuti sa iyong kapwa at ang paglilingkod sa bayan ay naging pangunahin, isinapuso mo, isinaisip mo, at isinakatuparan mo, ay kami namang mga kasalukuyang mga mamamayan ay ibibigay namin na marapat na pagkilala at paggalang. So, I, as your mayor today, would like to, and on behalf of the people of Manila, would like to thank the Bagatsing family for serving the city of Manila. Pwede ba lahat ng Bagatsing tumayo? Guys, palakpakan natin ang pamilya. Thank you. Chicha na ba?
Yes.
But before I end, again, mag-iingat kayo. I think I'm gonna see you in a couple of days. And we have something also. I think Amado already know it, and Crystal. To my fellow leaders, elected officials, civil servant, I hope today, bilang sa mamamayan natin, but also kayo, katulad natin si Ramon Bagatsing ay maging ehemplo ng mabuting paglilingkod sa kapwa. That is the challenge for you guys today. Inuha niyo yung sulo, tinanganan niyo yung sulo, galing sa kanila. Let that be. Ano ba ang sulo sa English? Torch. Patuloy natin ipasa sa mga susunod na leader na upang maging taglay ng mga lider ang liwanag para hikayatin ang mamamayan sa maayos na bayan, maayos na syudad, na lungsod ng Manila. Yan. So for now, mag-ingat po kayo at pagpalain nawa kayo. Kung the Nick Joaquin family, saan ba yung pamilya ni Nick Joaquin? Ato daw, saka yung ating publisher, pariprint mo na. Para ilagay natin sa lahat ng library natin, sa PLM, UDM, sa yung mga mambabasa, maalala si Ramon na Mayor Ramon Bagatsing. So mag-iingat po kayo lahat at it's a very challenging days nowadays sa ating lungsod dala ng panahon na ito. But rest assured, hindi kami perfectong gobyerno ngayon, but one thing is guaranteed, may gobyerno sa lungsod ng Pagpalainawa kayo ng maraming salamat, Mayor Ramon Bagatsing.
Thank you very much.